Yes. So I just want to apologize and say that just a mistake I have done in drift current in previous lecture. Okay, a small mistake. Okay, but it should not have been done. Okay, what the mistake was? Drift current, I told that NAVD our as per our calculation was right, but how we calculated I equal to Q by T, right? Q is number of charge carriers per unit volume into volume. Okay, into volume. It is what? Number of charge carriers per unit volume by volume, means charge carriers by volume into volume. This is number of charge carriers, right, by volume. So what is this? I is not equal to divided by time, number of charge divided by number. We are not interested in number, we are interested in amount of charge. Okay, so what is the amount of charge? Number of charge into one charge. What is one charge? It is E. Okay, understood or not? Suppose there are 2500 charges. Okay, so do we write 2500 over here, 2500 by T, or 2500 into one electronic charge? Now it becomes sense that it is Q and it is T. Otherwise it was just N by T. If we do 2500 by T, it is just this. If you want to write Q by T, we have to write this, right? Understood? What I am trying to explain, that I was Q by T. Q was number of charge per unit, Q was number of charge carriers per unit volume into volume divided by time T. So what is basically Q? Q is amount of charge. Q is in coulombs, right? Not in numbers, right? It is not two charge, it is amount of charge. Okay, if we are representing two electrons, that if I am asking amount of charge, then you will say 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power 19, that is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, right? It is the amount of charge. It should be over there, right? It should be over there, but it is not so. It is just number of charge per volume, number of charge carriers per unit volume into volume. Okay, so it is just a number. We want charge. Number into one charge is total charge. Okay, number of kgs into cost of 1 kg is total cost, right, divided by time T. Okay, so we will write number of charges 2500 if 2500 charges are there. Okay, divided by time T into one electronic charge. What is one electronic charge? This total is Q, this is T, right? Now T is what? L by Vd. Now it is okay. So basically what will come in the equation? NAVD. What will come into equation? This E was missing. Okay, so here E will be there, so drift current will be NAVD into E, right? NAEVD. Okay, understood? I apologize for this mistake, just a little. This E, I was just continuing with number of charge. Okay, when I have gone through the lecture of my lecture once again, then I understood the mistake I have done. Okay, there should be the charge. Okay, number of kgs will not give us the cost. Number of kgs into cost of 1 kg means one electronic charge should be given. Okay, then only we can get the whole charge. Okay, whole charge by time is current, not number by time is current. Number by time is not current. Okay, so remember this. So whole charge is 2500 into 1.6 into 10 to the power 19. This is electronic charge. Okay, and this is N. For example, I have took this 2500 by an example to make you explain, right? So rectify this in your copy, that the drift current will be NAEVD. right?